Welcome to the world of chess, a timeless game that's fun and enriching for everyone, especially if you're stepping into your golden years. Let's explore why chess is a fantastic hobby for older adults. Chess isn't just a test of wits, it's a brain booster. Here's how. Better memory. In chess, recalling moves and recognizing patterns is part of the fun. This keeps your brain sharp and your memory strong. Smart problem solving. Chess is about solving problems. You plan, predict, and outsmart your opponent. It's a great workout for your brain. Creative thinking. Every game of chess is unique. It's like painting a picture where each move is a brushstroke of strategy. Reduced risk of dementia. Engaging your brain with chess can help keep it healthy, reducing the risk of dementia. Chess can make you happier too. Here are some ways. Meeting new friends. Play chess with friends, family, or join a local club. It's a great way to socialize and share stories. A mood booster. Winning feels great, but so does learning from a loss. Every game is a new adventure. Confidence in your skills. As you get better at chess, you'll feel proud of your progress. The thrill of a well-played game, the suspense of your next move, and the joy of learning. Chess is a boatload of positive emotions. New to chess or returning after a long time away? You're in the right place. Here at ElderPawn Learns Chess, we'll provide easy-to-follow tutorials to get you started. I learned the chess basics as a kid, and I've recently rediscovered the game. I'm not even a very good player, but I'll show you my games and we'll work through some chess puzzles together and do lots more. Chess is for everyone, regardless of age or skill. It's a brilliant way to keep your mind sharp and your heart happy. If you're looking for a fulfilling new hobby, why not give chess a try? Join the ElderPawn community today. Click like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications for ElderPawn Learns Chess. Here, it's not just about learning chess, but sharing our journey and experiences. Drop a comment with your chess stories or questions, and let's grow together in this exciting game. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.